Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Rocket League on your Android device. To download Rocket League on your Android device, go and open up your Play Store. Into the search box, type in Rocket League and perform your search. Once you find this application that says Rocket League Sideswipe from Cyanide Studio, tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded and you'll be able to play the game right away by tapping on the play button. That is how you can easily download Rocket League application right on your Android device.
How to appear offline in Rocket League. If you want to appear offline on Rocket League, then you'll first need to open up your Epic Games launcher, since you cannot appear offline inside your Rocket League game. Go ahead and open up your Epic Games app and make sure that you're logged into your account. After logged in, go and click on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. From the pop-up, click on Settings. Now, under Preference, check this little box where it says Enable Offline Mode Browsing. After you make this change, you can now go back and launch open Rocket League game. That is the only way you'll be able to appear offline on Rocket League.
How to block someone on Rocket League. First, make sure that you open up your Rocket League application and also log into your account. From the main homepage of Rocket League, tap on the friends icon or the human icon at the top right. Go ahead and select a friend you would like to block. Tap on their name and in the pop-up, tap on the block button. Soon after that, you'll be able to block someone on Rocket League. Now, the player will locate inside the blocked players list. Remember that if you ever unblock the player, doing so will not add them in your friend list. If you want to add them back again, you need to go ahead and add this person again. That is how you can easily block someone on Rocket League. How to buy Rocket League items from your Rocket League application. If you want to buy Rocket League items from your Rocket League application, then the process is quite easy. All you need to do is to make sure that you are logged into your Rocket League account, and once you are, tap on the item shop button at the bottom of the main homepage. This is a built-in feature available to pretty much everyone who has the application. You can now easily purchase an item spending SP or token. Simply select one of the options from SP or token and go ahead and select an item you'd like to purchase. But in order to do so, you must have enough balance for yourself. Once you have enough balance, you can go ahead and purchase any item by tapping on one of the items and click on accept in order to purchase the particular item. Soon after you are done, you'll be able to buy Rocket League items from the Rocket League application. There's another alternative way to obtain specific item. You can also use a third-party website such as RL Exchange, G2G and LOLGA, from where you can buy Rocket League items, credits and blueprints. That is how you can easily buy Rocket League items. How to change quick chat in Rocket League. Once you're inside the main homepage for Rocket League, which looks like this, tap on the settings button at the top right hand corner. Now tap on the edit quick chat option from the right hand side panel. You'll be able to see all of the quick chat stickers available on the left hand side. The quick chat layout that you've selected will be displayed on the right hand side. If you want to change the quick chat, simply go ahead and select any one sticker and select one of the layout you would like to replace with, and you'll be able to see that you've successfully changed quick chat sticker in Rocket League. If you want to change it back again, all you need to do is to select one of the stickers from the left hand side and tap on the chat layout option you'd like to replace the sticker with. That is how you can easily change quick chats in Rocket League. How to enable two-factor authentication on Rocket League account. Go ahead and open up a web browser. In the web address bar, type in www.epicgames.com and press enter. If you want to enable the two-factor authentication on Rocket League, you need to log into your account on Epic Games. So go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right and enter your Epic Game account's credentials to log into your account first. Click on sign in with Epic Games and make sure to enter your email and password correct and click on login. Once you are logged into your account, mouse over to the human icon or your username at the top right and click on Accounts tab. Then, from the list, go to Password and Security option. Scroll all the way down until you see the two-factor authentication option and you'll be able to see 3 options displayed on the screen. You can select to enable two-factor authentication by choosing the first option, in which you'll need to go ahead and download the third-party authenticator app, and whenever you're trying to sign into your account, you'll need to type in the code provided to you by that particular app. Similarly, if you use the authentication SMS option, then you'll need to enter the two-factor authentication SMS code sent to your mobile number. If you choose email authentication, then you'll need to enter the security code sent to your email address. Choose any one option and click on the toggle button to enable it. I'm going to choose the second option, that is SMS, and on the next page, enter a phone number that you would like to associate with and click send code. You'll now receive an SMS code sent to your mobile number. Enter the verification code as soon as you receive it and click on the activate button in order to enable two-factor authentication on Epic Games account. Once you go ahead and enable the two-factor authentication on Epic Games, you now need to enter the authentication code whenever you try to log in with your Rocket League account via Epic Games. How to enable voice chat on Rocket League. Open up your Rocket League application to get started. Once you open up Rocket League, press the escape button and in the pop-up, select settings. Under settings, select chat and under voice chat settings, click on the drop down right next to voice chat and select one of the options. Select your preferred voice chat option and you'll be able to enable or use voice chat in Rocket League. How to exit Rocket League on PC. To exit Rocket League on PC is easy. First, let me open up Rocket League app over here. If you're logged into your Rocket League account and you'd like to log out or exit of it using your PC, then here's how you can easily exit of the game. While playing a game, press the escape button on your keyboard and click on the leave match button. You can also force close the game by using the shortcut key Alt F4. That is how you will be able to exit of Rocket League using PC. How to get coins in Rocket League. In order to get coins in Rocket League, you need to play matches and complete challenges. Make sure that you're logged into your Rocket League app and then once you're inside the main homepage, tap on the challenges button at the bottom. You can see that if you complete these daily and weekly missions or challenges, you'll be able to earn coins. And another way to get coins in Rocket League is to complete matches. Simply tap on the play button at the bottom right and find matches for yourself and tap on find match button. Soon after you find the matches for yourself, make sure to play the matches and you will earn coins for every match you play. Apart from that, you can also trade items with another player for coins in order to get coins in Rocket League. How to speed flip on Rocket League. If you want to learn how to speed flip on Rocket League, then you can try these steps. Simply go ahead and tap on the jump button once and hold the jump button again and pull back on the left stick to start flipping backward, as you can see it on the example. Let me show you again. Tap on the jump button, tap it on again and flip towards the left. While flipping towards the left, you can also pull forward on the left stick to start flipping towards the other side, as you can see it on the screen. That is how you'll be able to perform a speed flip on Rocket League. How to link Rocket League accounts. If you want to link your Rocket Game accounts to an Epic Game account or any other accounts, simply go ahead and open up a web browser first. Into the URL box, type in www.rocketleague.com/activate. Press go and you'll end up in this official web page. Soon after you end up in this page, simply tap on the login button. Sign into your Epic Games account by tapping on sign in with Epic Games option and enter your email address followed by the password in the text boxes. Tap on the login button. After you log into your account, now go ahead and select your account from the list and tap next. select the account you would like to use as your primary and tap on Preview. Now tap OK and select Confirm. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to link your Rocket League account to Epic Games. You can also select any other accounts you would like to log in with from the options at the bottom. How to log out of Rocket League using your iOS device. Here, I'm in the main homepage of Rocket League application. To log out of your account, go and tap on the gear icon at the top right and tap on Other Settings from the menu. Now, click on the Log Out button and you'll be able to log out of your Rocket League account right away. How to delete Rocket League account. Tap on the Settings button or the Gear button from the main homepage of Rocket League appearing at the top right. Now, tap on the Other Settings button in the expanded menu. You'll be able to see Delete My Account link at the bottom on the next page. Tap on it and it'll take you through the deletion process for the account. You'll end up in the main homepage of epicgames.com. You'll need to sign into your account like you normally do by entering your email address followed by the password. Finally, tap on the Login Now button. In order to delete your Rocket League account, you'll need to delete your Epic Games account. So in order to do that, simply go ahead and scroll down and tap on the Request Account to Delete button and follow the prompts. If you want to download the content from your account before deleting it, you can tap on this two-factor authentication link and verify your email address by enabling two-factor authentication. To delete your account, tap on Request Account Delete and tap on Delete Account again in order to delete your Epic Games account. Soon after you do that, you'll need to confirm your account's deletion, so go ahead and type in the security code sent to your email address in the text box and tap on Confirm Account Deletion. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to delete your epicgames.com account as well as the Rocket League account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.